Well, it's been a little more than 3 months since Oklahoma started selling High Point beer in more places and allowing it to be refrigerated as well.
Landon McBride stopped by a few stores in Lawton today to see how this change is now affecting those businesses there. Landon?
Some places are doing better than others now that beer and wine are available in more places. And while this change is affecting the bottom line in many stores, a few other issues are making business a little more difficult. Those in locally owned liquor stores in the Lawton area are now seeing customers buy beer and wine at convenience stores and grocery stores.
Since the law's been passed, our beer sales have dropped tremendously. We've lost regular customers because they can get it at one stop. You know what I mean? We had customers coming in here buying wine by the cases or beer by the case, and we don't have too much of that anymore.
Not all of the stores are seeing a decrease in sales.
Our beer sales have actually gone up, and the wine sales are down a little bit, but we just have, as you can see, we have the inventory that nobody else has. It's been really nice. And people can buy it cold, so they're really excited about that.
With additional stores selling beer and wine, though, and more delivery trucks needed, keeping liquor store shelves stocked has become more challenging.
The inventory issues are a little difficult. We went from 2 trucks a day to, well, basically, sometimes we have 4 trucks a day. But overall, during the week, we usually have about 12. It's really created somewhat of a hassle to keep all the inventory in check and make sure you're not over-ordering.
Shayla Hearn doesn't see many people returning to liquor stores as often because of the convenience.
It's a one-stop shop now. You can go to Walmart, get all their groceries and their beer or cold wine at the same time. They'd rather do that. I mean, honestly, in my own opinion, if I could get it all at one stop, I would too. But it does affect us locally owned liquor stores. It affects a lot.
So just a few months after the law was put into place, business is booming for some while really hurting for others. Brian Montgomery says there will always be a place for beer sales at liquor stores because people will come in for liquor, which they can't get anywhere else, and pick up some beer while they're there.
That makes sense. Okay, Landon, thanks.
And the state collected almost $9.7 million in alcohol taxes in October. That's compared with a monthly average of nearly $10.5 million during the first 3 months of the fiscal year. Now, the amount collected was more than $600,000 less than what was collected in September.